Isang malaking check sa bucket list, one of my most unique experiences in Korea. Finally saw North Korea and this crash landing on your filming spot in person. We also had the opportunity to talk to a North Korean defector. This is the DMZ tour from Seoul na you can book on Klook and use my promo code DaveGinoKlook for discount. South and North Korea remain technically at war at itong DMZ or Demilitarized Zone ang naghiwalay sa dalawa. First up, Imjinggak Park, a symbol of hope for a peaceful reunification. Dito rin natin nakita ang Freedom Bridge which was built to allow prisoners of war to return to South Korea. For the first time dito, we met a North Korean defector face to face and asked questions about her journey. Sobrang insightful. On our way to the actual DMZ, dinaanan natin itong tollway kung saan pinaghiwalay si Captain Ri at yung series sa Crash Landing on You. Remember guys? Sobrang surreal seeing this in person. Second stop, DMZ. Pumasok tayo sa nadiskubreng third tunnel na hinukay from North Korea in an attempt to launch a surprise invasion into the South. Dito talaga natin unang nakita ang North Korea mula sa tunnel. Interestingly, in 1978, North Korean defector na engineer at involved sa paggawa ng tunnel ang mismong nagtip na this tunnel exists. Next stop, Dora Observatory. Dito na talaga natin nakita ang overlooking view ng North Korea. Wala kayong makikitang clips ng North Korea dito guys kasi bawal. But kita na natin dito yung historical city of Kaesong and the North Korean flag. Dito na rin tayo nag-launch habang kita ang North Korea. We also visited the Unification Village na itinayo for Koreans in border areas affected by the war. Alam nyo ba na ang mga residente dito exempted sa taxes? Last stop, Gamaksan Suspension Bridge, a memorial to the British soldiers who fought in the Korean War. The bridge is also the longest towerless suspension bridge in Korea. Sobrang ganda ng view dito guys, as in. This was such an unforgettable and deeply immersive experience. I've always believed that to truly appreciate a country, we have to understand its history. And this tour brings it all into perspective. Kayo, nasa bucket list nyo rin ba ang makita ang North Korea?